I would recommend them not only because they have a good idea of just how the grant process works, but how it works well between a school and a private business. And then also, I think they have a really good insight into connecting the skills that you learn in the PHabLAB to real-world application and job and career opportunities. So that's definitely the part that I'm most excited about, is really providing a clear opportunity for different job and career skills that are really applicable, even at the middle school level, or elementary level, really, for that matter. Were very helpful just every step of the way. Their expertise on just kind of walking through this process in the past was super helpful, and they helped guide our, they had templates, but we made it our own, and then also just, they had really good feedback on how to include our personalized needs for our school. Their training was great, and then just look forward to continuing that collaboration and partnership, down the road.